going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Shiba Inu here because, as you can see, there is a drop. And like I said yesterday, we had a short-term period of consolidation. So look, we were consolidating. We just kept trading sideways, sideways, and sideways. So boom, we hit the end of the consolidation, and then we ended up breaking out of the consolidation, going up here. Yes, so we did break out of the consolidation. I was saying we were breaking out, and then when we finally did, we reached the peak there, and then there was more selling off. And I'm willing to bet that that selling off had to be more of the COVID relief fund. Remember that they do have a lot of Shiba Inu, and they have been selling a lot lately because Shiba Inu's price has been going down. So remember, FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. A lot of people are going to be selling out, and a lot of people are going to be buying back in as they see there's more hype with Shiba Inu. So this is just looking at it from a short-term perspective. That's why everyone's so scared. But then when you look at it in the long term, you see Shiba Inu's been trading sideways, even though that was a pretty small dip. Like, it was a really small dip, and Shiba Inu has just been going sideways the whole time. But look, as we've been going sideways, not only have we been going sideways, but we also have been going up slightly. Look at this, up slightly. This has been on an uptrend here this whole time. And then watch, when we reach back down here to this trend line, if we continue to go down, we're going to end up bouncing right back here to the top of this trend line. That means we're going to be testing another breakout. And this is what I mean. When Shiba Inu is about to break out, look, we're going down here, and then we're hitting these trend lines here, and then we're bouncing back up, and then we're retesting the trend line. And then once it bounces back up and that trend line is retested, that means we are still going up and down in our consolidation. And eventually we'll get down to here in the end area of this wedge here. And when we're at the end of this wedge right here, this is going to be the point where boom, Shiba Inu is just going to continue to rise. Remember, this is consolidation. So Shiba Inu can get here and then break out, or Shiba Inu can get here and break out. It just depends. It all depends on how much buying there is, and what is the trend around Shiba Inu. If we're all talking about Shiba Inu and just there's so much just so much conversations around Shiba Inu, all of that going over to Google Trends, like if we look over here and if you see Shiba Inu is the top trending, for like the last hour, last day, all that, that's how you know that Shiba Inu is doing well. And look at this, Shiba Inu is trending for the last hour, last 4 hours, still trending. The last day, still trending here for the last day. So Shiba Inu is still trending, and it has been going down slightly. As you can see, the price did dip a little bit, and as you can see, the price follows the media. So as media goes up about Shiba Inu, as there's more media outlets, more positive outlook with Shiba Inu, we have more money flowing through it, and with more market cap, that provides more money for all of us and for us to get rich off of Shiba Inu. So look at this, we are about to back up. We are about to go right back up here to these levels. We just have to hit the bottom of our trend line. Look, I can get rid of all of this, and you can look at it from this perspective. So look at it, it's going up, as you can see. Look right here, it is going up ultimately. So at the speed that is going up, I'm not sure, but right now you can see it is going up ultimately. And when you do the wedge, you can tell that it's winding down here to the end. So it's coming to the end right now. We're about to see where Shiba Inu is about to be left off at, and this is about to really happen right now. So we just have to wait until we hit the bottom of this trend line, right? And then the second we hit the bottom of this trend line, we're just going to start bounce back up, and then we're going to keep consolidating until boom, we're having a breakout. And if there's too much selling, then it dips. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so I'm not telling you just go put your life savings in this. This is something where you have 1% of your portfolio. Just put about a cool 1% in it, or whatever you're going to do. You don't need to put your whole portfolio in it. But yeah, that's not financial advice either. It's really whatever you want to do. And me personally, I just like to, I just like to hodl. I hodl all of my Shiba Inu and my Dogecoin. I'm not selling anything. But yeah, technicals really don't matter right now. What really matters is the fundamentals with Shiba Inu. That's why, as I'm following this and saying it's about to break out, look, I know that it's about to be something huge that's coming out with Shiba Inu. I'm not just saying that just to say it, because we're inside the same wedge. Look, you don't think this is a coincidence? Look at how it's winding down here. Look at how it's winding down here. This is no coincidence that it's just winding down like this. It's consolidation. They call it consolidation for a reason. So let's continue to see what we have with Shiba Inu for the fundamentals, because we know the technicals aren't everything with Shiba Inu. Like, all this other stuff matters. Remember, Shiba Inu x Robinhood, that is another thing that we have going on. So let's watch this little video with Shiba Inu. So yeah, that's how Shiba Inu could look on Robinhood. So I definitely believe Shiba Inu could get on Robinhood. I'm not even lying. Like, look over here. The Shiba Army has this petition over here on change.org. So this is a really big petition. 118k people already signed it. That's really big. And I mean, Robinhood already spoke about it. They, cleared the rumors, said that they have nothing set in place to release right now, but they are working on something. And you can see it over here where they said that. They said, at this time, we don't have the functionality to allow customers to transfer their cryptocurrency assets into or out of their Robinhood wallet, but we are currently working on providing those abilities for supported cryptocurrencies. So yeah, they're trying to provide it for people right now to be able to, send your stuff out of the Robinhood wallet and actually have your own wallet connected to Robinhood. So that's going to be huge when the wallets come out, and you can bet that's exactly when they're going to put out Shiba Inu as well. They're going to be doing everything in increments, and they're going to put that out and then Shiba Inu, or possibly Shiba Inu first and then that. But whatever happens, it's going to be big either way. So we know really good things are coming out here with Robinhood and with Shiba Inu. So we definitely hope that comes out. And the Shiba Army Reddit here is growing a lot lately. As you can see, 164,000 people. So we have a lot of people watching it on here. There's 904,000 people watching Shiba Inu. So just think about that. 904,000 people are watching Shiba Inu. That is a lot of money that is flowing through Shiba Inu. So that is just, put things into perspective there and show you where Shiba Inu is ultimately going. And another thing with Shiba Inu, I've been hearing a lot of talk about Apple accepting Shiba Inu. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. This is a rumor right now. So I'm just letting you know, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you know. So let's read what we have here. It says, of course, that's not to say you can't technically spend crypto through Apple Pay. Back in February, Apple Pay users gained the ability to use BitPay wallet. This payment method is noteworthy in that it allows Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to be used across a variety of markets, including Apple Pay. So you can connect BitPay to Apple Pay, right? And Apple allowed this to happen. So, but that's not all. Earlier this month, both Google Pay and Apple Pay also announced support for the new Coinbase debit card. So once approved, Coinbase users can add their payment methods directly into their Apple wallet. From there, it can be spent freely throughout the Apple Store. Naturally, the card can also be used like a debit card at most retailers. So this is actually really big right now. Apple could honestly actually accept this, but unfortunately, they say Apple doesn't directly accept Shiba Inu coin yet, and they say they probably never will. But I beg to differ, because once cryptos really start to be like the top focus of everybody's investments, like just think about it. Once crypto is accepted by Tesla, once crypto is accepted by Amazon, Walmart, all this other stuff, Apple and everything will fall into place. I do believe crypto is going to be accepted everywhere, because it's just obvious that people want a decentralized finance. People don't want their governments to own their finance, and no, I don't want it either. Like, the government is just printing all these US dollars into circulation, so we can just buy stuff like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, all that, Ethereum, Cardano. We can just buy these cryptos, and then you do it like that. That's a way better way to control the finances, in my opinion. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So yeah, possibly having Apple with Shiba Inu, that is another major catalyst here. Still trending here on Shiba Inu. And look, it's even trending over here right now. Apple to accept Shiba Inu for the last week. That's been trending. That's the top things trending when you type inside Shiba Inu. It was just Apple accepting Shiba Inu. And even if you type in Apple, I'm pretty sure I can probably find something about Shiba Inu if you type in Apple. Let's see if we do. We may or may not here. So let's see if we see anything about Shiba Inu. Nope, so far not. Okay, so nothing here when you type in Apple. Possibly if I do for the last day, let's see what we would see here. Nothing. Okay, yep, nothing on here. So yeah, it is just a rumor right now. That's what I'm saying. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm buying the rumor on this. Like, there's a lot of different things that could be going on with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is still trending inside of the trends here on Google, so I'm definitely pretty optimistic with that. And another major catalyst that we have with Shiba Inu is Shiba Swap. Like, so many different exchanges accepting Shiba Inu right now, and then we have Shiba Swap coming into. I mean, major catalysts left and right here. Like, let's go over to Twitter, like, just to put this into perspective, like showing how many new exchanges are actually accepting Shiba Swap. Like, look at how many exchanges, like, just for the past month that have just started accepting it back to back. Like, you have Capital.com, you have Bataza, you have down here, you have this one, Indodax inside Indonesia. That's a big one. Currency. you have Stealth X, you have so many different exchanges here. You have Brexley on here, you have Hit BTC on here, you have CryptoMat. Like, you just have so many different things. Sato Exchange is now accepting Shib, like all these different things. You have Qcoin, as we already know. We have Binance, and you have Latoken. Like, so many different things are accepting it. You have BitBNS, StealthX, Latoken. I already said Latoken. But yeah, there's just so many different exchanges that just came out. It was like back to back to back to back to back. Then you have Qcoin, and that's another reason why Shiba Inu was really going up huge back then. Like, back then was like a month ago. Like, it was going up huge because all these exchanges came out back and back. Like, all we need is more and more exchanges to accept Shiba Inu, and we're seeing every day more and more exchanges are starting to do that. So that's why Coinbase accepting it, Robinhood accepting it, stuff like Amazon, Apple, that type of stuff would really help us. And really, Robinhood would be the major thing that sends us to the moon with Shiba Inu. But yeah, that's why I said all this throws the technicals out the window. Elon Musk makes a tweet, Dogecoin goes up, and then Shiba Inu follows Dogecoin up. Like, it'll just get thrown out the window by a tweet. So that's why I'm saying, like, it's about to break out. Like, all we have to do is wait for a tweet for Elon Musk, and anything could really happen. Like, look up Elon Musk. Elon Musk has not said anything about Dogecoin inside a few days. That's very, very, very rare. He has not made a Dogecoin tweet since June 2nd. Remember, Elon Musk loves Dogecoin, and he has not made a tweet since June 2nd. It's about to break out, I'm telling you. And look, he even put this for that one, meme coin. I don't know what that coin is. I haven't heard of it, but you can look that up. It went big. It went big. I don't know if anyone is still inside of it, but yeah. I'm inside of Shiba Inu though. I don't invest inside of all the other meme coins that people are in. I just like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And I've heard about other stuff, BitTorrent, I heard about that. There's TronPad that I heard about that I'm thinking about getting in. That's not a meme coin though. But yeah, the only meme coins right now though that I'm really in is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. But if you have anything that you think I should invest in, leave that in the comment. But right now, Shiba Inu is like the main focus right now, because just so many good things are going on with Shiba Inu, and I really do believe Shiba Inu can be the top crypto. Right next to Doge, right next to Bitcoin, right next to Cardano, right next to Ethereum. Like, those are like the top right now. So we can really be up there with them in Binance Coin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And remember, for a limited time only, if you sign up for Robinhood, you will get 3 free stocks instead of 4. And remember, instead of 1, I mean. And remember, if you sign up with Webull, you'll get 4 free stocks. So like, that is a lot of free stocks right there. That's a whole 7 free stocks. And yeah, I'll be back with another video. Peace.